That's the sound I'm referring to. Hello guys, here we go again. Good morning and good afternoon to the Philippines. How are you guys there? Today is nice weather. I hope it will always like this. I hope this weather is always every day. Today I want to show you my vehicle that's here beside me. I'll show you my engine. Model 2002 Chevrolet Silverado. As you can see, this is a vortex engine. This is the coolant. This is the coolant reservoir. This is the air intake, and it was a V8 because there are two manifolds here, the left and the right. Other four intake manifold, and the exhaust manifold also. As you can see, this is a 5.3 engine, a vortex engine of the GM Motors. This is the alternator. Here, the alternator. This is the brake pump, hydraulic pump. This is a very good engine, but now I have a problem with this engine. After nearly 5 years, my engine's sounds have a grinding noise over here. I don't know what's happened to my engine. It's just happened this a couple of days. I don't know why. That's why I'm sharing my problem to you guys. If you have a suggestion for me, write your comment below. I hope I can find a reason and solve my problem to my engine. This is the fan over here. This is the oil cap. It says that 5W40 is the recommended engine oil of this engine, but this is a high mileage vehicle, almost 390,000 kilometers. That's why I'm planning to change oil of this engine with a higher viscosity, because this is a high mileage. The bearings are worn out, unlike the new one, but this is loosened because of the high mileage. The spark plug is over there, fuel injected. That's why we have no carburetor here. This one is fuel injected. This is the power steering reservoir, and a powerful engine. V8 sounds like a roar. It's very big engine. But in the Philippines, if you have like this engine V8, the cost of the gasoline there is expensive. That's why most of the vehicles there are diesel. Just only inline 4 diesel engine is for the aircon. That one is for the aircon, and that's everything. I will start this engine for you to know the problem, I'll show you the problem of my engine. This is the sound of my engine. As you hear, there was a grinding noise. When it's very hot, the engine has a grinding noise. I don't know why, but it happened. If you have any suggestion for me, write your comment below, and I hope it will solve my problem. This was tickling sound. I'm planning to have a change oil for this. Maybe the tickling sound are resolved. Do you hear the sound? I think that's maybe the bearing there. If you have any suggestion, write your comment below, please. I don't know what's the problem with my engine. That's the tickling sound. Even it's very hot. I drive because I drive it along the highway. When it's very hot, there's a sound like that. I don't know why. If you have any suggestion for me or question, you can write your comment below. I hope I can find the answer of my problem.